step into the Honda 2022 Pilot Special Edition. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle's top features include 7 speakers, AM/FM radio, Sirius XM, radio data system, radio, 215-watt audio system, air conditioning, automatic temperature control, front dual zone AC, rear air conditioning and rear window defroster. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.